How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? The Unskilled Specialist back again with another real quick short review. Recap of the Foxbody Mustang, Dub Stan. She's on the lift, or he's on the lift right now. So I've been just doing some touch-up welding on the stiflers, subframe connectors there. But what I wanted to talk about today real quick is the Maximum Motorsports Kmember, specifically for the LS platform. I know a lot of you guys are thinking out there, it's a Mustang. Why are you putting an LS Chevy motor in a Ford platform? And the reason is simple, guys. It's what I understand, it's what I know, and honestly, it's the most efficient thing from a dollar standpoint that I could do. Now, a lot of these guys that are running an LS in their Fox bodies, they turbo them and they drag race them. That's not the purpose that I'm going for whatsoever. It's cool, don't get me wrong. However, I'm not a big turbo guy because I have no idea anything about turbos except for they sound phenomenal. So, but real quick, just a review of what I'm running. This is off the cuff as well, so I can give part numbers to anybody that's asking or advice. I probably wouldn't take my advice, but you can consider it. So we'll show you what we got here. So here's the Kmember right here. This is specific for the LSX platform. Yes, I'm running a Chevy motor in a Ford platform. We'll talk more about that and the reason why I'm doing it. So install wise, pretty simple. You have to use plumb bobs, lasers, what have you, just to make sure that the car is tracking straight down the road. So keep that involved in mind. Read the instructions, go through YouTube to make sure you have the proper installation down pat, because it is a little tedious work, but it's fairly simple for the most part. So real quick, how it goes in the car, you have 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, same on the other side here. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the same for every single Fox body, except for the actual placement of the motor mounts as well. So a lot of strength involved in this unit here, compared to the factory Foxbody Kmember. I could have ran that. However, the goals for this car is going to be canyon carver, maybe some road racing as well, if I'm brave enough with this ride. However, for those that have road raced before, I'd love some advice, some tips on how you actually had enough guts to go ahead and do it, because I would love how to do that, learn how to do that properly and everything else. I think that'd be a pretty good time. So what else I'm running on here is 98 spindles off at SN95. Their Maximum Motorsports control arm here. This is specific to this, to my spindles. Reason being is because it actually moves the wheels forward just a touch for increased grip. They've got a maximum grip package on their website. I'm basically running just about everything on their website associated with the maximum grip, except for coil overs and their specific shock in the rear. So I do have their coil over package up front, conies, and these are iBox springs from Maximum Motorsports. Factory Foxbody power steering pump, and I've got Maximum Motorsports BumpSteer kit. Just showing you guys what it looks like out on the ground here. Install wise, everything was pretty simple and straightforward for the most part, and I can give you specifics on that if you have any questions, but just wanted to run through. It's dirty, yes, I know. We're in an open shop and I've been sanding, so as you can see, I'm still pink. It's stained. It won't come off. It's the most annoying thing in the world, but I'll be glad when this car's not red anymore and going for the color we're going after. So I'm on roller wheels at this point just because I got them pretty inexpensive off of Facebook Marketplace. But here's what it looks like sitting on the ground there. Doesn't look like much at this point in time. However, from a packaging standpoint, really, really nice work, high quality. I would say that go on their website, take a look at what they can offer, and actually give them a call, because I've had multiple conversations with them, multiple email transactions back and forth, saying, hey guys, this is what I want, these are my goals. They set the car up perfectly from a parts list platform. For me, it was pretty seamless, except for most things were on back order at that point in time. But I do think they're actually catching up pretty good here. But again, if you have any questions, comments on the install on anything that I've done so far, please let me know. I'm happy to help anybody out. Even though I'm not the expert, I've still gone through the process and I do understand exactly what I need to do to complete it. So that's a quick review of what's going in the car next after we get everything painted on the engine bay there. So check in. Appreciate you taking a look, following along on this build, and enjoy the day.